Introduction to Apple Cider Vinegar ACV. Apple cider vinegar is made from fermented apple juice, which undergoes a two-step fermentation process. It contains acetic acid, vitamins, minerals, and various other compounds. Appetite suppression. One proposed mechanism for ACV's weight loss effects is its ability to suppress appetite. Some studies suggest that consuming vinegar with a meal may increase feelings of fullness, leading to reduced calorie intake over time. Blood sugar regulation. ACV has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels after meals. Stable blood sugar levels can help reduce cravings and prevent overeating, potentially aiding weight loss efforts. Metabolic rate. There is some evidence to suggest that consuming vinegar may increase the body's metabolic rate. A higher metabolic rate means your body burns more calories at rest, which could contribute to weight loss. Fat burning. Some animal studies have indicated that acetic acid, the main component of vinegar, may help promote fat burning and prevent fat accumulation in the body. However, more research is needed to confirm these findings in humans. Digestive health. ACV is often lauded for its potential benefits for digestive health. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight, and ACV's prebiotic properties may support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Reduce fat storage. One small study in obese individuals found that daily consumption of vinegar led to reduced belly fat, waist circumference, and lower blood triglyceride levels. These effects could be attributed to ACV's ability to inhibit the accumulation of fat in the body. Detoxification. While some proponents claim that ACV helps detoxify the body, there is limited scientific evidence to support this claim. However, maintaining proper hydration and consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables can support the body's natural detoxification processes. Acid-alkaline balance. Despite popular belief, ACV does not significantly alter the body's pH levels. The human body has robust mechanisms for regulating pH, and dietary changes typically have minimal impact on this balance. Dosage and safety. While ACV is generally safe for consumption in moderate amounts, excessive intake can lead to digestive issues and may throw tooth enamel due to its acidic nature. It's essential to dilute vinegar in water and consume it in moderation. Incorporating ACV into your diet. You can incorporate ACV into your diet by using it as a salad dressing, adding it to marinades or sauces, or diluting it in water and drinking it before meals. Start with small amounts and gradually increase the dosage as tolerated. Conclusion. While apple cider vinegar may offer some potential benefits for weight loss, it's not a magic solution on its own. For best results, combine ACV consumption with a healthy diet, regular exercise, and other lifestyle modifications.